Microsoft is planning to make a comeback again with its third-generation Surface Duo. Despite running on Android, it features two separate displays, which can be folded like other foldable smartphones on the market. But Microsoft still has a lot to improve with the Surface Duo to firmly establish itself in the foldable realm. However, several upgrades on its previous Surface Duo gave us some hope that Microsoft is going in the right direction to deliver us an improved one. And that makes the Surface Duo 3 pretty exciting. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the upcoming Surface Duo 3 and also our expectations. So, without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the design, Microsoft's Surface Duo has always seemed pretty iconic in terms of looks, and it's rumored that the third-generation Surface Duo might feature a thinner body compared to its predecessors. Rumors also suggest that it's likely to have slimmer bezels as well, along with wireless charging capability. Plus, Microsoft is trying to reduce the size of the camera bumps so that they can make it Qi wireless charging compatible. About the display, the Surface Duo 3 is expected to come with a larger screen size. According to leaks and rumors, Microsoft might increase Duo 3's total screen size to 8.5-inch from 8.3-inch. Also, each display will be 5.9-inch instead of 5.8-inch. However, our guess is that Microsoft might increase the screen size by reducing the bezels. And since there's no legit information about the refresh rate, we're assuming it to boast a 120Hz display refresh rate instead of 90Hz. Coming to the camera spec, the Surface Duo 3 might come with a triple rear camera array just like the Surface Duo 2, but it will have an improved camera sensor. As you know, all foldable smartphones not only deliver strong and marvelous displays but also provide outstanding camera quality. And to compete with them, Microsoft needs to ensure an excellent camera system. However, rumors suggest that the Surface Duo 3 might come with a 16-megapixel wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. As for the performance, the Surface Duo 3 is expected to rock the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which will give a notable performance boost compared to the Surface Duo 2. However, there is no exact information about the release date, so it might even feature Gen 1 successor, who knows. Also, the third-generation Surface Duo might include up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. The next generation of the Surface Duo family is likely to be released with Android 12L, which is specially designed for foldable smartphones and tablets. And rumor says the Surface Duo 3 might get released with the Android 12L. This will help Microsoft to deliver optimized Surface Duo 3. So, when will the Surface Duo 3 be released? Judging by the previous release date of Surface Duo, it might get released at the end of 2023. About the price, we all know that Surface Duo is quite overpriced, and we're hoping Microsoft will deliver the Surface Duo 3 at a lower price. In short, Microsoft's Surface Duo 3 is expected to come with a bigger display by reducing the bezels. Also, it might have an improved camera system and chipset to give you the performance you need. But what do you think? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.